Okay students, next we will discuss the expression for the equivalent resistance. First in series, in series we have to connect the resistances end to end. So let us consider three resistors that is connected in series, that is by end to end. So first name the ends, that is A, B, C and D, and these are the resistors having resistance R1, R2 and R3. Next, let us connect these resistance with a battery having some voltage V. So this is positive, this is negative, so the current will flow from this direction. Let us say I current is flowing through this. So in series combination, as we have already discussed, that the same current will flow. So from this I current will flow, from this I current will flow, and also from this I current will flow. But the potential between 2 points, that is the potential difference. Let's say here is V1, this is V2 between C and D, between B and C point, and then point between point C and D, that is V3. So as we have already discussed that in series combination we will apply the formula of the voltage, because in this combination same current is flowing through all the resistors. So total voltage, that is V, is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3, as we have taken the three resistors in the series combination. So as now the Ohm's law we will apply. The Ohm's law in this condition, what the Ohm's law states? Ohm's law states that V is equals to IR. So from the first resistor whose voltage is V1, so the V is equals to same current I, and then R1, then V2 is I, R2, and the V3 will be I into R3. Now put these values first, second and third in this condition. So V1 is equals to I into R1, V2 is equals to I R2, V3 is I into R3. So V will be V is equals to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3, and the voltage of the battery is V, that is current flowing through the battery is I. There will be also some resistance, let's say its resistance is R. So this will be is equals to V is equals to IR. Now take the current common from this equation, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the current from both the sides will cancel out, and you will get the resistor RS is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and this is the your expression for equivalent resistance in the series. Thank you.